Straightening a crooked image. In this tutorial, we will learn about how to straighten a crooked image. There are many ways to straighten a crooked image on Photoshop. The first method is by using the crop tool. We can activate it either by using the keyboard shortcut C or by selecting it from the toolbar. Then in the options bar, we can choose the angle tool by clicking on it and then click the image area and drag across the horizon line here, releasing the cursor, and then Photoshop will automatically straighten the canvas. Now we need to know that the straighten tool by default is limited to the inside of the original canvas, and hence it will not add any transparent areas outside of the image that we straighten. Using the control key is also a great way to access the straighten tool when we are using the crop tool. Let's go ahead and tap the escape key in order to escape out of that. One more way to do it would be to position the cursor outside the crop and rotate. And now when we move the cursor, we will see the double-headed arrows, and all we need to do is just click and drag around until the image is straight, and then we can click return or enter to apply the crop. For now, let's click cancel in order to cancel out of that crop. Yet another way is by using the ruler tool. The ruler tool is nested with the eyedropper, and this tool is pretty useful because if we use multiple layers in a document, the ruler tool will rotate only the layer that has been selected. Presently, we are working with a single layer document. We just have a background layer, so the ruler tool is pretty much going to behave the same way as the crop tool does. Let's go ahead and click and then drag out in order to straighten the image. We need to click straighten layer in case we were working on multi-layered document and wanted to straighten a single layer using the ruler tool. And if we wanted to straighten the entire document, it is better we choose image rotation. All we need to do is go to image and image rotation and then arbitrary. And we can see that the angle is automatically plugged in. And now we can click on OK and it straightened the document. But one point to be noticed is that it actually increased the canvas size to include the entire area outside the straightened document. We can see that Photoshop enlarges the canvas size to enable inclusion of all the original data from the file. So we have several different methods to help straighten a titled image or a layer using the crop, straighten and rotate tools in Photoshop.